Natural hazards and natural disasters. A natural hazard is an occurrence that is not so frequent but nevertheless dangerous due to its life-threatening consequences. So what is natural hazard? It is an occurrence which is not very regular, it is not very frequent, but it comes once in a while, but they are very dangerous and they are, means there is also loss of life. It also causes great destruction to property. The level of destruction caused by natural hazards varies in nature and intensity. Natural hazards, which are furious in nature and bring about large scale destruction of life and property, are called natural disaster. So when this natural hazard brings destruction over a large area to huge number of people and their property, then that natural hazard is called what? Natural disaster. Under natural hazard, let us see. First comes earthquakes. The vibrations or shaking of a part of the earth's surface caused by sudden movements under its crust are called earthquakes. I hope, children, when earthquake word comes, you may feel that shaking of the earth. And during this lockdown period also, we have experienced, or the people of Delhi, even in Jharkhand also it had come, and its epicenter was in Jamshedpur. This was also highlighted in the news. And this earthquake, this also caused what? Due to this also, what happens? Natural disasters can come. The point of origin of an earthquake, it is called focus, where the earthquake is originated, below inside the earth, where the earthquake waves are originated. That point is called focus. And the point on the earth's surface which is directly above the focus is called the epicenter. So the earthquake which had come in Jharkhand, its epicenter was in Jamshedpur. So it is on the earth's surface and focus is below the earth's surface, but they are just directly above to focus. Epicenter is directly above to focus on the earth's surface. The strongest impact of an earthquake is experienced by the area near the epicenter. So always, children, where is the epicenter, and near to this epicenter the shaking or the vibration will be very hard, or the area will feel the strong or get the strongest impact. The movement of tectonic plates and molten rocks beneath the earth's crust causes earthquake. So what is the reason behind this earthquake? The tectonic plates. Our earth is comprises of concentric layers, and each concentric layers are divided into different plates, and these plates, they are moving, always they are moving, because deep inside the earth the temperature is very, very high. And how it is proven that temperature is very high? When the volcanoes erupts, then very hot magma oozes out, comes out on the earth's surface, and it proves that inside the earth the temperature is very, very high. And due to this high temperature, the rocks are found in the molten state, and above it found the tectonic plates, and they both are in motion. They are moving from one place to another, and because of this movement the earthquakes are generated. volcanic eruptions may also lead to earthquake at times. So because volcanoes erupt suddenly, and sometimes it happens when volcanoes comes, it brings earthquake. So they both are simultaneous hazards. Earthquakes can cause destruction in mass scale. Mass scale means on a very large scale. Due to earthquakes, buildings and structures get damaged and collapse. So, earthquake brings what? Destruction to the buildings and the structures, whatever is there. Where people die when they get stuck in the ruins. Roads get cracks, flyovers collapse, and railways lines get twisted, resulting in disruption of transport. So when the damage caused over the roadways, railways, different ways of transportation. Here one example is given. Electricity poles break and wires get dislocated. Earthquakes cause tsunami and flood. When earthquake comes under the ocean, then the ocean water rises very high and it takes the shape of tsunami. Also, landslides occur in mountainous regions due to the vibration of the earth. So land, some area in the Uttarakhand, their landslides are very frequent. And why this land is sliding from its original place? Because of the vibration which is generated just because of earthquake. So today up to here. In next video we will proceed. Thank you, children.